Welcome to Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Sacramento at Fire Mountain. Today, we're touring the biggest suite on the property, the Grand Suite. Let's start with my favorite place. This sizable wet bar can host a gathering of your friends, or provide a place to set down your martini glass. It comes with an overly sized mini fridge, plenty of coffee options. Once you've had your fill of tasty drinks, take advantage of the spacious couch. This living room can fit plenty of people, but just in case you need more seats, this built-in dining area comes in very handy. If you're watching a movie on the big screen, wherever you are in the room, you can see the TV. Any suite of this size is required to have at least a half bath for your guests, and sure enough, here it is. Let's explore the master bedroom. This room has a king-size bed with another TV. It also has double closets. There are plenty of plug-in options on each side of the bed. Let's check out this very large master bathroom. A very big shower. This VibraCoustic Bath Tub emits sound waves that undulate through the water and resound through your core. You can attach your own music, or I used one of the 6 presets, Transcendence, and it was amazing. The Gold, Silver, and Aquatic Suite don't provide this option. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to get immediate notifications when I release a new video. Click on one of these to see more amazing suite tours from hotels and resorts.